Hey there, if you got these AirPods 4th generation with ANC that you're looking forward to connect to any iPhone for the first time, like this iPhone 16 Pro Max we've got here today, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire setup process. So let's get started. So to pair them together, make sure the buds are inside the case. Open up the lid. It'll beep and start pulsating this white LED. If your iPhone is nearby, you'll get this setup pop-up. Just go ahead and hit connect. It'll pair with your iPhone in a moment. Now, just in case if you didn't get this pop-up, go straight to the Bluetooth section on your iPhone, and after that, you might get a similar setup pop-up. You can pair your AirPod from there as well. But just in case if you're still not getting the pop-up, just double tap under the LED to manually take it into pairing mode. That's all. And after that, you will get AirPods name into the nearby Bluetooth devices list. Hit on the name and pair them together. Now after they're paired, if you go to the control center and don't find your AirPods in here, don't worry. All you have to do is just wear the AirPods and they will instantly get connected to your iPhone. Or what you can do, just go to your AirPods settings in the Bluetooth section. And apart from all these settings that you can customize and change from here, just turn off automatic ear detection. So it doesn't matter inside or out, your AirPods will always be connected to your iPhone. So that's it for this video. Enjoy your newly paired AirPods for ANC. Thanks for watching.